Action.
Oh, hi, it's Darius from Dubb. Now that you're on your way to becoming a video influencer, I'd like to share some best practices for using video to achieve your goals. Firstly, be sure to dress appropriately. Good lighting and framing can make or break a video. Keep your videos educational and not salesy. Personalize your videos as much as you can. If you're sending a video to an individual, be sure to include their name, company name, and objectives. If it's a generic video, showcase your knowledge of the industry or business. We all know people have very short attention spans, especially when on the internet, so keep it short. Try to keep your videos between 30 seconds and 2 minutes long in order to retain engagement. Including video thumbnails in your email will increase your conversion and view rates dramatically. To include a thumbnail in your email, click the copy to clipboard icon or select a video within Gmail, Instagram, or LinkedIn using the Chrome extension. To make your videos match your brand, don't forget to customize your videos with a custom subdomain, your company logo, and your brand colors. Another thing to add is a call to action button. Adding a call to action button will dramatically increase your conversion rates. Last but not least, don't forget to smile. Smiling conveys happiness, and people like to work with happy people. Is there something in my teeth?